So in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on HISENSE Smart TV. And to do this, first let's take a look on the remote. Here we have a joystick that points in all different directions and OK, and that is basically all that we need. One exception is at the beginning of the setup. As you can read, we can press on menu button to enter store mode if you want. Now let's proceed with the setup. We need to choose our language. In this case I'm gonna go with English. Next step is to connect our TV with Wi-Fi network that I'm gonna choose this one. You need to pick one that you have a password for and just choose it and then enter the password like I'm doing right now. Then we can click connect. Here we can pick our location. In this case I'm gonna leave it as a Poland. Then there's data sharing, privacy and EULA that you can read if you like. I'm gonna select them all to accept and just proceed. Here we can create our .vidaa account, and I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna skip it. If you are interested, you can do it. Here we can name our TV. It's gonna be living room TV for me. Welcome to VIDAA, okay, and let's just go to home. And right here our TV is basically all set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.